Today, I'm making this delicious bacon, egg, cheese, chicken bagel sandwich.
Welcome to
DADDYGVILLE'S world.
Let's eat! What's up, everyone? This is one of my favorite breakfast sandwiches that you can even eat for dinner. Let's get this delicious sandwich started. You will need a cup and a half of flour, tablespoon and a half of garlic powder, tablespoon of salt, 2 tablespoons of black pepper, everything bagels, pepper country gravy mix, eggs, buttermilk, bacon, and fresh boneless skinless chicken breast. Now, grab your mixing bowl, dump in the flour, salt, garlic powder, black pepper, and mix it all together thoroughly. Now, grab your cutting board and a fresh piece of chicken breast. Cut the chicken in half. Next, take your meat tenderizing hammer and just widen the chicken. Don't pound it flat because once you cook it, you will dry it out. Just hit it a few good times on each side. Now, grab another bowl. Pour buttermilk into it. Then, take your chicken and submerge it into the buttermilk. Then place it into the refrigerator for 1 to 2 hours. Now, you could just dunk the chicken in the buttermilk and then the flour. But by letting it marinate in the buttermilk, it will have a better flavor. Once the marinating time is up, preheat your oven to 350 degrees. Also, I put my bacon in the air fryer for 10 minutes. Grab your flour mixture and buttermilk chicken. Take each piece one at a time, from the buttermilk into the flour mix, coating each side thoroughly. For extra crispy, take it from the buttermilk into the flour. Buttermilk again, back to the flour. Now, I'll turn my heat level up to a 4.5. My oil temp was reading 375 degrees. I slowly drop the chicken in and set my timer for 7 minutes. Once it hits the 3.5 minute mark, I flip it over to the other side for the remaining time. While the chicken is frying, I grab a saucepan, dump in the gravy mixture, along with 2.5 cups of cold water. I whisk it together, then turn it to high heat, bringing it to a boil, stirring occasionally. Once it's at full boil, turn it down to a simmer, and whisk it together until it's almost completely done boiling. Then set it aside to slightly thicken up. Now, using my mini 1-egg skillet, I dump a little bacon grease in it for flavoring. Crack 2 eggs, breaking and mixing the yolk. And let it cook almost all the way through. Then I flip it over and add Fiesta cheese. Now, get your bagel, cut it in half, and butter it. Place it in the oven on 350 for 3 minutes. Once the bagel is done, lay it on the plate. Place your fried chicken on the bottom, add a ladle of gravy on top of the chicken, a handful of bacon, and your eggs and melted cheese. Place the top on and cut it in half, and you're done. Thanks for watching.